Hey, what's up guys, this is Ishan Ahmed and Aman Ali and we are back with another cool stuff and you are watching Jet Codex, and in today's video we are going to show you how you can get Google Pixel's Bootanimation on your Android smartphone with the white color variant and the sound. So friends, let's get started. So friends, you just need to download ng file from the link given in the description box below. Once you have downloaded, navigate to the zip file by any file explorer and copy and paste that to root of the SD card. So friends, once you have done, reboot your smartphone to the recovery mode and wait until it is done. Once your phone has been booted to the recovery, tap on install and navigate to the zip file of the micro SD card of your Android smartphones. Once you have navigated, and choose that and swipe to confirm flash. And when the flash is done, reboot the system. It will also install Google Pixel Dialer and Google Velvet too. So friends, if you liked our tutorial, like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this useful video, and I will see you in the next one.